Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and happy 1 year on YouTube. I posted my very first long form video on November 19th, 2023. And then almost exactly 6 months later, I was able to monetize my content. So if you clicked on this video, maybe you were looking to start a YouTube channel or you're just curious on how much a small handmade business makes here on YouTube. I know when I was first starting my channel, this was a video I was very curious about. I was really interested in knowing what I could expect as a smaller creator. So I hope you find this video interesting and helpful and it inspires you to start a YouTube channel. It is never too late. I know before I started my channel, I thought it was too late, I'm too old, all of these different random things I would tell myself. That is just not true. It is never too late. You are never too old to go after something you really want to do. I've wanted to start a YouTube channel since I was like 14 years old. And even though it took me almost 15 years later, I finally did it. And you know the saying, better late than never. So I hope this video inspires you. This is in no way me bragging about how much I've made. I just really love sharing stuff with you guys in my small business journey and tutorials and business advice. I love sharing that with you. And I know a lot of you guys are very interested in money and the potential on YouTube. I do want to preface that I do not make a full-time living. This is just a nice bonus on top of having my small business, my 9-to-5 job, and all of my other revenue streams. If you're curious about my revenue streams, you can watch this video. I will have it linked down below, or you can just go to my channel and I share all my different revenue streams as a handmade small business and content creator. I am going to share how much I've made over these last 6 months. I'm going to share my lowest payday, my highest payday, and my totals for each month, and then my grand total since being monetized. And I wanted to go ahead and include in this video my YouTube essentials, what I use to film, what I use to edit, because it really goes in hand with my YouTube journey. So I'm gonna share all of that first. I also have a video where I show how I film Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. I actually posted my first short video in February of 2023 and then posted my first long form in November. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now we're ready to talk about my monetization journey and how much I've made over these last 6 months. So what I'm going to do is I wrote down each month my lowest day, my highest day, and then my total. At the end, I will share my grand total. So let's first discuss requirements on becoming monetized. You have to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So on May 16th, this is what my analytics look like and when I became monetized. So this does include my shorts. I started posting shorts in February of 2023. So this includes all of that as well, but shorts do not count towards your 4,000 hours of watch time. So keep that in mind. If you are someone that posts a lot of shorts, that won't count towards becoming monetized. You have to get 4,000 watch hours on full length videos. So I had 3,400 views, 5,300 watch hours, and 6,200 subscribers. So on May 16th, I made 67 cents, and this was my lowest paid day in May. My highest paid day was May 30th, and I made $4.84. So my grand total for the month of May, my very first month of being monetized, was $40.69. In June, my lowest pay day was June 29th, and I made $1.40. On my highest pay day, which was June 10th, $5.35, and grand total was $96.52. So cool. I couldn't believe that I almost made $100 in my first full month on YouTube. My lowest paid day in July was July 9th, and I made $1.63. My highest paid day was July 11th, and I made $4.17 with a total of $90.38. So it was a little bit lower than June, but I was still thrilled. I couldn't believe I still almost made $100. And it's an awesome additional income every month. To get actually paid, you have to meet a $100 threshold. Otherwise, it combines the amount, and then once you hit $100, you will get the payout. So I actually get paid every other month, not every month. Let's move on to August. My lowest paid day was August 6th. I made $2 even. My highest paid day was August 12th, and I made $6.79. That is a breakfast burrito, that is a chicken sandwich, a coffee, and total for August was $121.50. And to some people that may not seem like a lot, but for someone who is sitting in their craft room talking to a camera and making $120 is amazing. So let's go ahead and move on to September. My lowest paid day in September was September 13th, and I made $2.23. My highest pay day was September 11th, and I made $6.35, total of $98.51. In October, my lowest pay day was October 12th. I made $2 even. My highest pay day, October 28th, and I made $10.59 for a grand total of $107.81. And October 28th is my highest paid single day thus far. It's really cool to look at these and just think how much potential there is in YouTube. Okay, so my last month is November, and we're not complete with November yet, but I wanted to go ahead and include it in this video. My lowest paid day so far for November is November 16th, and I made $2.03. My highest paid so far is November 11th, and I've made $8.14 for my total at this point, $78.23. On YouTube over these last 6 months of being monetized is $633.64. $621.79 came from full-length videos, so like the one I'm filming right now. $11.85 came from shorts. So shorts are very small compared to long-form videos. And of course, it's not enough to provide for myself full-time. But if you add that onto my already 9-to-5 job and my other revenue streams, it is amazing, and I'm so excited for more years to come to see what YouTube can be. That is how much I've made in the last 6 months of being monetized. Everyone's YouTube journey is very different, which is why I think it's so cool to film these kinds of videos so you can see the differences. And you can watch this video and then maybe go watch another niche video and see how much they made, and then just gives you an idea of the potential on what you could possibly make if you start a YouTube channel. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and learning how much I've made here on YouTube. If you have any further questions or you want me to go more in depth in anything, definitely leave that in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.